In the diagram of triangle KLM shown below, use a compass and straight edge to construct the median to segment KL. So when we have to construct the median to KL segment, what we have to do? We have to connect vertex, which is across our segment, with the midpoint of segment KL. So first we have to divide our segment KL into two equal parts. So we will use compass. We will first place the compass at one end of segment KL. So first in vertex L. And now when we have to divide KL segment into two equal parts, we have to open the compass longer than the half and draw arcs above and below. Remove this. Above we have to draw arc and below segment. And now, keeping the same compass width, we have to draw the arc from the other vertex, from K. The compass must be open the same width. And we draw arc above and below. Below segment KL and above. And now we have to use the ruler and connect where the arc cross and draw the line segment. So the arcs cross in this point and that point, and now we have to connect these 2 points. We divide segment KL into 2 equal parts. We have to connect the midpoint of segment KL with vertex M. We have to use ruler. And if we place N point at the end of N is the midpoint on segment KL, the segment MN is the median to segment KL. To KL segment. This is my solution.